welcome back to CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. And right now, it's time to talk about Volkswagen Group's India 2.0 strategy. Without wasting too much time, let's get you all the details in 2 minutes. Let's go. Number 1. Skoda is now in charge of the Volkswagen Group's India operations. The group has invested 1 billion euros, that's 7,900 crore rupees, for this strategy. Number 2. First things first, Skoda will work on localizing the MQB A0 platform. This modular platform can underpin anything from a premium hatchback to a midsize SUV. What's more, localization levels of as high as 90% are being targeted. Number 3. Oh yes, this means new cars. The first vehicle to be based on the Made in India MQB A0 platform will be a Skoda badged mid-size SUV that will have its global debut right here in India. A second vehicle will be launched over the course of the next few years before 2025. Number 4. There's confirmation that there will be 2 products from the Volkswagen stable as well. We're guessing this could be the new Polo or the new Vento, and possibly the T-Cross mid-size SUV as well. Number 5. Oh, before we forget, this exercise will look at creating up to 5,000 new jobs in the country. The group will also consider exporting the Made in India cars to other markets. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to CarDekho if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.